I want to show you how to easily change your Facebook page name in 2025. Now, a lot of my subscribers, a lot of people I've seen are complaining that they are finding it very hard and very challenging to change their Facebook name. So in less than 2 minutes, I will show you how to do that. So what you are going to do is, without wasting much time, let's go straight into the deal. But first, I want you to like this video. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can be able to suggest this video to people like you that need it. Then subscribe to this my channel to avoid missing important updates that I'll be dropping on this channel. So without wasting much time, let's go into the big business of the day. So tap on these three lines here. You tap on it, then you scroll down to settings. First you tap on settings. You tap on settings. When you tap on settings, what you are going to do is you scroll down to page setup. Then you can see your name, you can see your page access, you can see your page management, your page status, and your page recommendation. So you just tap on your name, go straight to the point. You tap on your name. Yes, you tap on your name. Then you can just change your name, and you can just change your name. You can just cancel this and put the name you want. Then you click on review change. So I will not change my name now because I don't need to change my name, but this is how to change your Facebook page name. So if you find this video to be interesting and helpful, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.